Alright guys, if you want the link to this uncopylocked place right here, then subscribe to my email list, link is in the description to receive a link of this place right here to take everything you need. Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will quickly create this arrow rarity system, and by that I mean that there is a certain rarity each stand has, and then the arrow is gonna pick out a stand for you depending on what rarity you have, okay? Now, to begin with this, we want to create a table called available stands. And we want to put a bunch of things in here. So a bunch of rarities, legendary, and common. Just for now, because we only have 2 stands. Alright, the first one inside of the legendary category is going to be the world. Second one in the common category is going to be test stand. So this stand right here. Come on, test stand. Okay. Now we need one more entry right here, which is called chances. And this one is going to contain all of the single chances for each category right here. So for each rarity, for example, legendary is going to be 20. While common is gonna be 80, okay? Now, if you have some more rarities, then make sure that the chances in total make a 100, okay? That is pretty important. Now, once you have finished this table, what you want to do next is that you want to set up a table right here, an empty table, and then you want to go ahead and you want to loop through this available stands table. Now, what you want to do next is that you want to create another loop, which loops from 1 to how many, according what the chance here is. So, wait. Available stands dot chances. Wait. Now, wait. I have to change this. We want to loop inside of this changes tab right here. And yeah, we want to loop according to what B is. Wait. So this has become a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna be explaining this, so no worry. Okay, instead of V, I have to put I here. But as you can see, this is what happens. So we have a table now with a total of 100 entries, and 80% of this table makes up this common thing right here, and the rest is about legendaries. So what we have just basically done is that we have set up a table which has which has taken up so much space for each rarity according to what kind of rarity this rarity right here has. Okay, 20, so legendary makes up 20 spaces, 80, common makes up the rest. Okay, this is basically how this works. And what we have done is just we have looped through this entry right here, so only through these 2 right here, and for each of these we have set up a loop, another loop, which loops from 1 to whatever this number right here is. So if it is 20, then it repeats this code right here 20 times. And what happens is that it just puts the name legendary, the rarity name legendary, to the next empty field of this table right here. This is basically what happens, as you can see. Now, the next thing I would like to do is that we have to pick out the rarity, and then we have to pick out a stand which belongs to this rarity. So pick rarity. And what happens right here is that we are gonna refer to this table, and then we are gonna refer to one random index in here. So math random 1, 2, the total amount of entries inside of this table. And let's see what rarity was picked. Okay. Legendary was picked, common was picked, common was picked again, legendary, common, 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 legendary, common. As you can see, it is able to pick out a rarity right here. Now the next step is to pick a stand. Pick stand. And then available stands. Pick rarity. And then map random 1, 2. The total amount of stands inside of that rarity. Nah, I'm not printing it out. Wait. Print pick stand. Okay. The world was picked. The test stand was picked. Okay, let me explain this and then we're gonna end the video at this point. So what happened right here is that we are referring to this available stands tab, and then we are referring to the entry which represents the rarity we have just picked from this first variable right here. And in this case, this can either be legendary or common, okay? And what we do then is that we are indexing something inside of there, so something randomly. And you guys know that you can index a table like this via numbers. So the first entry, the second entry, the third one, whatsoever. In this case, we only have one entry in both rarities. This makes things a little bit more confusing for you, I think, but that's just how it is. And what we basically do is that we are generating a random number from 1 to how many entries each category has. So by entries, we mean how many stands each rarity has, okay? And this basically means for you that it just picks out a random stand from this rarity. This is basically what happens, okay? And right here. And this pick stand now is the stand we have picked. Okay, we have just rolled, and now it is about applying this to our player. Okay, and yeah, we are gonna continue with the rest in the next episode, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends, leave feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see ya.